Hi board members and Johnny, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've been part of the channel, you know Izanda Zitulekanda. If you're new here, please do subscribe. Road to 1K. Okay, I'm Kanja. Oh, yazini njani? Sengijonga ngibingelela manje konke sengiyenzile so ngizonifakela ngihambile ngokwenza massage ne. Ngiyabona sengiyayithanda massage. Okay, sharp. Siyeke lena ke ihlukile kunalamanye. I'm going to show you guys a massage and then what else? And then ngijengisa breakfast encane and then hey yo niyakhumbula ngangigqokisha the other day but le vlog has nothing to do with that. Today I have a special guest. I think indeed guest again. Angazi kodwa nje kuyale guestwana la. So I'm not eating alone today because I'm always eating alone, you guys know, but today I'm eating with
Tando. I'm here in the house. Can I have a drum roll, please? Guys, Sanbona Ninjani. Thanks for inviting
board
me.
members, by the way.
Oh, board members.
These are board
Okay.
members.
Nice to meet you, board members. I'm so glad to be here. It feels warm.
I'm warm, so yeah, we're out here with Tano. We are trying some Chinese food. I think guys the content is okay. We're just gonna try and do it. If you're available, if you still wanna chill with me, we're gonna do this a lot. If you have a phone in Zobana, we'll take a second. Get back story time. Oh, to my comment. Oh, book. I don't know. Okay, guys, enjoy.
Okay, so guys, we've decided to do the crazy thing. We'll just close the eyes and then just randomly pick whatever the finger lands, we are eating. Okay, so call them.
Hi, guys. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Randomly.
Please go, don't lash.
Yeah, come. One finger, it can't be two fingers, so it's on the door. Shame. Okay, let me know. Help you.
Is it hot?
Let me help you. Choose that already. Yeah, go. Say it. Okay.
What the?
Are you gonna have veggies? No,
But
okay,
you know,
no, but you know what? It goes in between, so it could be pork or a veg, right?
no, it could be chicken and
It could be chicken and veggies.
yeah. But my finger is big. It's also pointing in pork.
So are you taking chicken or you taking no? But you're not gonna. You want a
The veggies.
Okay, let's have both.
But then yeah, let's do it because
go,
now
yeah,
we don't have to cheat.
Okay, so you. Okay, Sissy. Okay, sharp. It's veg chow mein and chicken chow mein. Okay.
Yeah. And then now
time.
it's your turn.
Yes, guys, that's a food I got. So I hope. Timing. Oh Lord Jesus Christ, please. Okay. Oh Lord.
Oh, okay. My son does camera. There we go. Prawns and calamari, yes.
Okay, cool. It's
That's
fine.
what we are
I'm prawn
having
and calamari. Okay.
Alright. Okay, thank you.
Then please may I have can we add sushi?
Okay.
The tuna crunch one, deep fried one. I think give us the salmon one. Because I think I got utagao tant.
Yeah.
So tanda though. And then give us the salmon roses.
Alright.
So it's 4 salmon roses and 4 deep fried sushi.
Yes.
Thank you.
Let's hope you're not gonna disappoint me with sushi, guys. But then, okay, let's see.
Let's go, Tracy. It's yes, salmon deep fried. Yes.
This is Tracy, by the way.
Okay, I go with salmon roses then I go by tuna go bang yabo. Tuna. So it's salmon. Yeah, it's for prawn and calamari with rice noodles. Yes. Oh. Okay, Gilana, my next prawn calamari. Which one is gonna be the rice one or the noodles one?
Egg fried rice.
Yeah, baby.
Egg fried rice.
It's more nicer. Okay, let's take that one. Yeah.
What is it that they eat with the sticks and what?
Same. So each chow mein,
okay.
it was chicken.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you choose?
Chow mein.
Do you choose here also whether it's rice or noodles?
Noodles.
Okay, perfect.
So I'm gonna have a drink. I haven't drank in like a month, so I don't know if I go.
Yeah, she's a good girl.
I've been trying, and I don't know why I agreed to do this because now I am forced to drink. Okay, I know what I'm gonna have. I'm gonna have a glass of
But
wine.
you're not forced, right? You know.
Yeah, I know, but I just feel like okay, maybe let me have something to drink. I know
Okay.
I'm not forced, but it just feels like I've been even avoiding the my restaurant because of the food. Because I mean, sorry, I don't want to drink.
Okay, you know I don't drink Minavel.
Oh, okay.
So that's why I get to you. You're not forced. Don't feel like maybe you have to
We
do
are
it for
having
me.
water. Okay, I'm gonna have. What are you having? Okay,
No,
that's
I
the
want
only
to
thing
do
is obviously honestly I've never checked these sides of what's what. I'm gonna have a glass of wine. Eh? No, I'm gonna have a glass of wine. I haven't drink. I'm gonna have a glass. Yeah, I'm gonna have
I
one.
think I'll just do the lemonade thing.
Lemonade.
Yeah.
Just lemonade.
Yeah, just lemonade will do. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna have lemonade and then she's gonna have a glass of wine.
I'm having lemonade too. No, I'm not. But I just no. I'm having wine. No, I'm not. Yeah, I'm gonna have wine, guys.
So tell me, Sane, when did you start your channel?
Oh no, this year. Just like a couple of
okay,
months
it's
ago.
new,
Yeah,
but
no,
you're already in like
actually-
600.
Yes, actually, yeah.
Yeah, you've grown very fast.
I started posting February, I think around February 20 something. Yes, I remember. I actually remember I started posting in February. Yes, February. Yeah, February. Yeah.
Okay.
Just before Valentine's Day, I remember because I was blogging at Sasha's that day.
Guys, after here,
Yeah.
do this for me. I need to see a channel going to 1K after this video. I need to see a channel going to 1K.
Need 300 people now to get to 1K. Yeah, I'm gonna do CFF.
Yeah.
Obviously, I'm not consistent. Obviously,
Yeah.
something that I really need to do to.
Yeah, I've seen Uti, you just posting there.
Yeah. And then the other week, last week, the other week I was like, so this other girl, this other YouTuber, she was so nice. She's saying the thing by Emma Sims, right?
Yeah.
So she's very like you.
Yes.
Like, wait, nice, post. And but then now I would keep that age as a joke, like. So it's like last week, cause I post. This week, cause like, hey, I done content. But yeah, guys,
Yeah.
I
Go
do
and
come with the
subscribe.
content, but I'm more food, storytelling. You are doing, guys, posting.
That's a main
Yes.
dab.
In life,
Yeah.
not dies. So if you love story time, if you love story, what's a deep dive?
This is sushi way.
This is sushi. This is tuna crunch, and then this is salmon roses. Yeah.
Should I bring your wings there over there?
Yeah, it's fine. We eating. We are.
We are eating. We are don't play.
Okay, this is for my Insta. Thank you, baby.
This look freaking hot.
That's a lot. Bachal to this. Some Chinese. Oh, sorry.
Are you gonna eat this? Sorry.
It's actually hot. Yeah, this is hot. Yes, I'm gonna eat this. Guys, I'm saying shade of kind of wood. No, but this is too much. Where's the meat here?
Guys, are we gonna finish all of this?
It is mine. Also, I tatang it. I guys, you think I'm Oh, it's prawns and calamari. It was supposed to be chicken, but fine.
What are we using here? I always wanted to try to eat with this thing.
Just clean nicely. Yo, I can't do things for leopard. Okay, awesome. Oh, shut that in. Hey. Nyama land. Oh, yama lem ng nyama.
So,
Oh, thank you. Oh. Sissy?
yo.
Sorry. Tell the sushi thing. I see, and then pala man. And it's why I want everything. Sorry, guys.
No, don't worry. We need to get everything we need.
Without chili.
First time I'm using these, guys. Don't laugh at me.
Oh, there's no pork right now.
Jackie China way.
Try it. No, we are missing masala.
Guys, last time I had sushi, it was there by I think Billy G or something. And then I hope here
Oh, delicious.
Billy G by the buffet.
Is it Suncoast, no?
Yeah, Suncoast.
I don't enjoy it.
Oh, not bad.
Man, you should have not. Now, if you enjoy this one, you're gonna love this one.
Not bad. Let's try this one.
You don't put pele.
Bugs win.
Is it nice?
Mmm.
It is nice.
Mmm.
Oh,
So this is the one. It doesn't give the vibe of uncooked fish. It doesn't have that.
These are my favorites.
Guys, you said what is this? I'm having another one.
This is more nicer. That's me.
Let me give you a closer look.
You know, do this thing called it's a monk bam. Guys, in case monk bam. What I live?
Yeah,
The sound.
no sound. You should have had a mic nearby.
Not. I wait tuna. One.
It's the one, trust me.
That's our food, man. Done.
Forgive us.
2 years for man.
Can I taste your food?
Please do. I'm a vegetarian. I am some of the and I'm a too many carrots. This is Chinese are healthy people apparently, right?
Yeah, I
That's
see.
why.
I see.
So they are very healthy.
I don't know, I've seen another video of another girl. She was in China, like showing us street food. That you can even find a frog in China.
Let me
selling
show
them.
you. No, I went. I did. I went to China 2 days and then healthy food. You find it on the streets. You eat in the streets if you want to. If you don't feel like thank you, Shana. Thank you, madam.
Ah, for now.
It's alright, madam. Okay, I'm going to show you on my Instagram. This is that similar. The sun. This is on the road. This is okay. Okay. But you do that. They will make everything for you. Okay, let's get to this. They'll make everything for you now. Street food at night.
Yeah, I see.
And it's like it's a mean. But pay fish like a
And then,
even a smoothies, the ones that smoothies. Because the smoothies are right here, your greens are right here. But that's all the good stuff about fish on the street. You can literally eat and hey, like fish on Shona again.
in China.
Fish on to Namatamo pay. Let's see what
Yes,
fish. That's a light time.
To do.
Love it. Kanti fish unamathambo phela lahlala la ithambo emankankaneni. Hayi bo sofuna isibhedlela eChina dololo. Now it's here. It's like it's right here. It's right here. Okay, this one happened. We went to a club.
Yes.
Cool. And then so this one happens. Obviously, South Africa must get to China swimming.
Yeah.
Maybe ama South Africans, Tina, siyalala that side. So I remember that time South Africa was swimming. Tina that side said suku. But we are grooving ourselves, so we went to a club. So I could see, obviously, we don't want to like, hey, okay, like, okay, when's I not
Yes.
Then we were going to the hotel. Obviously, there's street food. So we want to you want to have something to eat.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Try this combo.
That's the time, bro. And I remember there was a famous, I think this was like a conclusion, which more is where it comes in the journey. Ngaphuza amafutha, ngaphuza amanzi, ngihamba ngodla amafutha emgaqweni, ngadla isinto brownie, then we had to call the embassy because I need to leave something.
Yeah.
Like we had to leave. Ngepadi, the trip was not going to China, the trip was going to Hong Kong. It's like in Hong Kong and China City.
Yeah.
It's so good in a city win. So, but because China is one of those, we are also a train. So I took a train from Hong Kong to China to spend 2 days because everyone goes to China.
Yeah.
Hey, everything. Now, you're saying Gola. Actually, from Hong Kong to China, it's also a you get like a pass, get visa.
Get visa, yes.
Yeah. So what we use are just
there.
I will. No, I'm Gola. It's like that's also Lisa. Get Hong Kong. Because my flight is not in China. My flight is not there.
It's in Hong Kong.
It's in Hong Kong, bruh. Okay, I'm not complaining, but yeah, I'm not manning and I'm in those people calamari lanas and calamari. Oh, even. Oh, it's calamari. That's how much cool. Saturday, finally, embassy, because the embassy 9 hours away. It was like, you're going to shoot Hong Kong. Then I called my flight. Obviously, I only been 4 or 5 days of time. Now, if I'm calling my flight, tell you to Sasha to thinking and you're going to actually say we cannot show it by knowing. You can't take him off.
So what you should do now?
When I'm showing the time.
And you are not in South Africa because here that's what when you see you can low put.
Just like I'm so brown, go cook less as I suppose I'm not going to food, but I think when we were about to keep up with non-don, it was like, yo, the first thing I needed to do was to like wait dry stuff. So I'm like, don't have the kind of so okay. Even if I'm not paying, even if it's a time, even to manage it back to me or even if I see where they Hong Kong. But first, we are cool. It's an issue about that. Back space. Yeah. That's what I'm my child, babe. Oh, my was very ngaphakathi uzela kwelizwe labangaphakathi but the fact that you are black bazokumisa bazokususa bazokulentuza bazokubamba bazokulentuza uhamba ngemoto yakho
Yo.
and I'm like, no, how am I gonna do that right now? Well, yes, someone got paid. I go then actually no, remember one or 2 little months. Now remember we're in China, this is not our place.
Yeah.
We just went there for fun to actually go buy clothes. Bags, you know, we in Guangzhou, but I went Guangzhou, people buy clothes, but we was going to sell and I name my name. He's like, I'm going to go to Guangzhou.
Let's do this. Please hold your plate like this.
No, but you've been eating my plate.
Let's do like this.
Oh,
for the thumbnail.
Ooh.
Okay, guys, this is probably going to be our thumbnail.
Are you going to go there? So,
I'm gonna
do you enjoy this?
A lot. Actually, everything. At least if it was hot, maybe. I don't know.
Pele.
Yeah.
No, you just draw some.
Ayo. Yeah. Guys. Yeah, Aish. We actually wanted to try 2 restaurants today, but no.
We can't.
We can't.
It's not gonna happen.
We can't. You can see At least Sane uzamile.
Waveza umkhaba wami wena bese kudla. Ayibo esizana.
Nami ngihlulekile.
No, angizamanga. Sidle usile lo wena.
Yeah, and then here is a takeaway, guys. Like the food was a lot. We didn't expect ukuthi tuzokudla okuningi kangaka.
And it's cheap, by the way. Chinese
Yeah.
are very cheap. So you all know.
Yeah, so guys, if you are happen to be in Devonport, try Sakura, guys.
So, the next episode, there's a bit of a person goes up, but we're gonna go try other.
Yeah.
Okay, I saw on they told us they wanted to try what.
Yeah,
Fine,
they
we're gonna
comment.
stick with that.
Yeah,
I mean, I wanted to do the African food. I wanted
Yeah.
to go do the Indian food.
the Indian food, yes.
Yeah, so, and what else? Tell me one friend doesn't my back, please.
Wow, I don't like that.
Okay, well, I can try it. Singwa. Tiny.
Okay.
I tiny and this is a singwa. That's brown.
Okay.
That's fine. Then you
Yeah,
can.
guys, before we wrap up this video, let's take Sane's channel to 1K. Yeah.
More
Before
food
the end of
content.
next week. Before the end of next
More
week,
food
guys.
content for
I know you
guys,
can do
More
it.
food content for you guys. More food content. I'm not even lying to you. I'm telling you. We're gonna take you from the street. We're gonna take you to. Are you leaving? Oh yeah, peace, baby. We're gonna
Okay.
take you on the street food.
There's a lot more to do. And then don't forget to also comment and tell us what you think, what you want, what you would like to see us trying.
Hey guys, Bongile Papa and Sankatel. I'm feeling a bit sick, so
No, it's the wine is sinking in. Sure.
Yay! Hey guys, because I haven't drank since 27 August. I'm a sober girl, like Queen Elizabeth Lashoni. I'm feeling sick.
Okay, guys. See you when we see you. Goodbye.